Kaboom! Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them. You know, it's Teach Them, the #1 intellectual blogging panel on the YouTube channel. Hey, yo, hello. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey, yo, we always up to something. Not everything you can achieve in one go. Some things are very hard. But when you overcome that hurdle, you get a sense of real reward. Even the greatest stumble, but still don't let down your guard. You got to motivate yourself, elevate yourself. No underestimate yourself, push yourself, go for your dreams, and you will achieve. You find out how success feel. Just keep it real, don't drop your shield. The brave fall, but they never heal. Teach them. Every great story have a history, but it take guts and zeal. So in order for you achieve your victory, you gotta put your shoulders to the wheel. Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them right here. Warlord representing.